we need indirect knowledge of cosmos, a reference point. Without reference point, we cannot practice sincerely. The whatever we read and we listen, that is a reference point. That is not the real knowledge. The real knowledge is the knowledge which you feel from inside. The moment you feel from inside, that is the real knowledge. Real knowledge we get when we are in samadhi. Before that we have glimpse of knowledge, shadow of knowledge. And to enter into samadhi takes time because we develop a lot of fear. In awakened stage, we have certain lifestyle, certain ideas and thoughts, but when we are in samadhi, completely reverse. Therefore, samadhi state is something different which one cannot imagine. Little glimpse of samadhi is deep sleep, but that is very little glimpse, and in that we are unaware. Imagine that if deep sleep exists, in the awake stage, how we will feel. In deep sleep, we don't feel body. We do not feel tension, relaxation. We do not feel heaviness, lightness, pain, pleasure. Any dual perception does not exist in deep sleep. Imagine that if that stage we realize in awake stage, we will have a lot of fear that something is bad in me. Because in deep sleep we don't feel leg. When we are awake, you don't feel leg, then how you will walk? If you don't feel arm, how you will work? In deep sleep, open eyes, there is no vision. When we are awake and open eyes and you don't see anything. Therefore, samadhi cannot be experienced easily because we are not ready for it. By repeated practice, slowly, when fear disappears, then we start experiencing glimpse of samadhi, that is like image of samadhi, little reflection of samadhi, then slowly we enter into samadhi. In the beginning, what happens? For example, I am talking about India. If India we are having various caste system, we do not dare to marry in other caste. When there is affair between male and female of the different caste, and if both are strong, they cannot oppose because court is there. But willingly, still today, majority do not accept it. Why? Because in awake stage, we have experienced this lifestyle, that my caste is nearer to my caste, your caste is nearer to your caste. With two opposite castes, they unite together. There will be culture difference, they will fight together, all kind of problem. This is the thought we are having in mind. Therefore, logically we put it. Now let us see, when I go all over the world, I meet so many persons of various varieties, Indians, non-Indians, Americans, Canadians and many other citizens. But in fact, I do not feel any difference because I practice Kriya Yoga meditation. I appreciate that unity. I have no fear. But majority, they develop fear. If I will marry my daughter to some other caste, something may happen bad. Society will not accept. But in the deep sleep, we do not have that thought. Then we are dissolving the all duality in the deep sleep. Then we don't have fear that society will object, our community will feel bad, because everybody likes deep sleep. In the same way, when all start practicing Kriya Yoga meditation, then slowly our differences on the platform of caste and color, that we are black or white, and on the basis of shape and size. Many will not like to marry Chinese because of the face structure, nose and eyes structure, and short structure. And many Chinese will not like to marry the long persons having the long nose and long body, because their mind is tuned with that. Therefore, when let us imagine all are meditator, Chinese are meditator, Negroes, Africans, Indians, Americans, all colors, all shape and size, then we will realize we feel no difference at all. This Kriya Yoga meditation is taking us towards that consciousness, towards that atmosphere where we are going to experience first glimpse of sleep in working stage, and then slowly we will have deeper and deeper perception, then we will enter into samadhi, then all differences will disappear. Therefore, Kriya Yoga spread is very important. It dissolves all illusion. We all are practicing it. We are very fortunate that invisible consciousness has selected us and we are here. Today we are ready to understand, when we practice Kriya Yoga meditation, then what happens? One by one, let us try to understand it. In the beginning, let us think of a small child. Child does not having concept of anything else except sense pleasure. Children are enjoying only sense pleasure. If you hold in lap and pat, they like. That is sense pleasure. Whatever food they feel tasty, give them, they will be behind you. That is all sense pleasure. Therefore, children's life is based on the sense pleasure. They like cartoon, visual sense pleasure. They entertain different musical tones. That is all sense pleasure. They are not musician. Because of this sense pleasure they like. In the same way, taste and smell and bodily perceptions all. This is the one stage. In that stage, child does not have concept of angels or devils or God. The moment child enters into teen age, 13, there is a next stage of development. They start something different. They want to know something more detailed. Then we can teach them what is reality, what is non-reality. Then education starts. No education should be given before 12. Called academic education is not good. Because all academic education, they are borrowed knowledge from scientists. Majority they read it, they write it, they speak it, and they get degree, but they do not know it. Nor is the scientist who has discovered it. Therefore, up to 12 years, no any education should be given in school and college. 12 years children, they should learn from the parents. Because parents are not in deep lifestyle, therefore, children feel problem. They get distracted. They do so many things in the home and parents are not able to tolerate. Therefore, they send children to school. Not only that, they are very much interested in their education, no. They cannot handle children. Majority parents are sending children to school because they cannot handle it. I remember Krishna, 14 persons were around him. All were getting tired. But he was not tired. And how we will get, if in a family there are 5 children, then how many persons we need? Because of this, children are sent to the school from very beginning. The age 3, they are going, they don't know anything, but they are going to the school. They are playing there because parents are not ready to play. They do not have time to play. In the home there is no atmosphere of playing and entertaining children. Therefore they go to the school and there they learn all bad things. Therefore, for strict rules, if parents are practicing Kriya Yoga meditation, they can create atmosphere in the home. Then children should stay in home up to 12 years age. They should learn how to talk, how to express their thoughts and ideas, and how to eat the food, how to maintain their body, how to behave, and how to work. Parents are working, elder brother and sisters are working. Children should work with them. They develop work culture in childhood. Then at the age of 12, when they become 12, they start knowing what is reality. Glimpses are coming, then teachings are given. And try to practice the teaching. They should practice the teaching. When we say power, power is in the arms. Then they should feel arm. Teach them to feel their head to toes. Teach them within there exist all things what we are reading in book. What we are eating food and we are thinking the power is present in food. Then in food how power came? We are eating grains and seeds and fruits for our strength, for power. Now we should ask that from where they are getting power. They are getting power from the water. They are getting power from the sunlight, from the air, from many things are coming from the earth through capillary system. Let them know that power source is not only that thing what we think, there is something else. Then water is also getting power from where? Earth is getting power from where? Sun is getting power from where? Each radiations, atom and molecules, they are getting power from where? Then children are going into deep thought. Let them enter into thought, have more and more questions, and teach them to feel head to toes. Because head to toes is presence of all power, all knowledge, everything. But you see in education system nothing is there. All the teachings are outward. Therefore children are not able to demonstrate their talent. We need this type of system and this system will appear. Now let us we got idea that we are searching truth and truth is within. When we start concentrating on self, then we get an idea. Each and every organ is having some consciousness, some power, some knowledge. But when I share with you, you have different knowledge about the same thing. When I see this is a paper, what is its color? Try to ask everybody and let them write what is the color of this. Let them explain in 10 lines. All will have different writing. Now we start realizing each of us feel this universe differently. The consciousness within one existence is technically known as Vishwa. Now, when I feel my head to toes, when I see this universe, when I listen, I touch, then what I am experiencing Vishwa. Vishwa is technical word. That is the consciousness of one individual. Okay, all right. Keep on concentrating on it. Feel everything more and more. After that, we will realize whatever you are thinking also. Then I came to know your thought. Then I am concentrating on myself. Oh, are you thirsty? How you came to know that I am thirsty? You are hungry? You are having this problem? Then how to know this? The same practice, concentration on head to toes. Accept everything what we feel, whatever we realize, accept it. Never say pain and pleasure. Keep on accepting it. Then we start experiencing others from distance. When we start experiencing others from distance, then we are having real unity. Let us hold hand and stay together, walk together, live together, sleep together, we are together. No. This dress is sleeping all the time together. But we don't care it, we throw it. Therefore, together does not mean physical togetherness, visual togetherness. When we concentrate on head to toes more and more, then whatever we realize is accept it, then we start experiencing each other, then our consciousness expands. Then we know how to serve others. Otherwise, we cannot know how to serve others. We will do mistake. I am going to make you today good food because I love you. Then how much? Then I eat a lot of salt. I will put little more salt in you because I like salt. When you will eat horrible food, they only eat salt, nothing else. Because I decided to serve you and I do not know how to serve you, I am serving you according to my own understanding, and that is false. Okay, I am making tea for you. I have great love for sweet. I eat 2 kg sweet in a row. Okay, all right, then I will show the same love for you. I will put a lot of sugar in the tea. And I will say, oh nice, I have brought it. You enjoy it, please. With all my love, I made this tea. It is for you. When you will eat, horrible. This person does not know how to make tea. He is making tea in sugar molecules. He has not put sugar in the tea, but he has put tea in the sugar. Then how to serve others? Very, very difficult. Very, very difficult. Try your level best. You will do mistake. Then how to serve parents, how to serve partners, how to serve children, how to serve friends, how to serve all creations. Only one way in learning. Concentrate on head to toes, feel it more and more. Accept all changes more and more. Then we will try to feel each other from distance, then we can serve it. Therefore, king of a nation should be realized master. And that king will have complete understanding about all population of the nation. Not only the nation, but all population of the world, all countries. Therefore, in ancient human civilization, only realized masters were king. With the onset of dark phase, this system disappears. Then realized masters were hanged to death, crucifixion of Jesus Christ, assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. In ancient human civilization, when all were in very high consciousness, Satyuga and Treta, the king were already selected, elected both, who were king realized masters. They know how to serve all. There is no mistake, no fight. We are moving in the same direction. Slowly we are moving in the same direction, better and better every year. Therefore, what the conclusion I want to give you, concentrate on head to toes. Whatever we feel in sitting, standing, in working position, accept it more and more, feel it more and more. Then you will get all understanding how to serve self and how to serve others. More than that, if I explain anything, it is useless for today. What is the conclusion? Practice Kriya Yoga more and more every day and never try to understand anything too much, because we cannot understand. Whatever we are trying to understand on the platform, what we are having, every day we are opening computer, Google Maharaj is there. If I want to know anything, just Google Maharaj. Then we have accumulated so many informations. Then whatever you will try to understand on that platform, and all platforms are porous, having holes in that. Real understanding will come from inside. If you do not read anything, do not try to understand anything, just practice Kriya Yoga meditation and learn how to talk, learn how to serve. One day you will be knower of ultimate truth. Otherwise, before that, we have so much knowledge of illusion things. Have the Google search about this. You know about this? Yes, I know it. And I can talk hours together. From where? Information from Google search. That is not the real knowledge. That is information collected by someone. You do not know reality behind it. Therefore, present computer internet knowledge will create a huge confusion that we are knower the things. Among them, we want some great masters who can demonstrate what is the real truth. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Just practice Kriya Yoga meditation sincerely, with all your effort, with all your joy, and try to serve others to your level best. निष्कर्ष क्या है? हम क्रिया योगा अभ्यास खूब अच्छी तरह से समझें, खूब अच्छी तरह अभ्यास करें, मन लगा के अभ्यास करें, और जितनी सामर्थ्य जुटे उससे सेवा करें. नाउ वी आर रेडी टू प्रैक्टिस. आइए हम अभ्यास करते हैं.